Which sound effect machine is the best?
Welcome to Good Mythical More.
Feeling a little soggy, a little less soggy
Yes.
by the second though. Before we get into testing sound effect machines, which is important.
Yes.
A portion of today's More is sponsored by Aura, creator of Aura Ring, the revolutionary smart ring.
Now, you know that I've talked a little bit about my white noise machine, right? I use that constant noise to stay asleep, and you may have heard the story where I was sleeping in close proximity to Link and his wife. It was a road trip. They were
There was a wall.
There was a wall between his wife and my wife, and me and him. I was with my wife. He was with his wife, and there was a wall.
And there was a
between
wall.
us. I'm sorry, I'm making it weird. And I learned that you have this playlist that you listen to that kept waking me up through the wall, like when a bass note would hit.
It's dynamic, yeah.
And the way that I knew that I wasn't sleeping well was I was waking up a lot, but then I was able to look at the data generated by my Aura Ring to learn that I had not slept very well. I don't know what's wrong.
Rhett's sending me screenshots of his Aura app saying, you owe me.
I got one of my lowest scores ever because of that. Okay.
I'm sorry.
So if
I was fine.
If you're experimenting with new ways to get a good night's sleep, including soundtracks, Aura Ring can help you find what's working and what's not.
They have data tracking during your sleep so that you can discover whether deep and REM sleep are improving.
It's like having a sleep lab on your finger. You learn about when to wind down, how long you spend in each sleep stage, and when you might be experiencing breathing disturbances.
We've been taking our sleep quality more seriously. We both have used the personalized tips to feel more energized every day so that we can give that energy to you.
Yes, and we believe in it so much that we are investors. So head to auraring.com/mythical today to join the over 1 million active members making health and wellness a daily practice.
And thanks again to Aura for sponsoring this portion of today's episode.
Okay.
Bring in the first sound effect machine.
So what is the practical application of these?
Well, it's to help you sleep. Let's see if this will help you sleep.
Okay, that sounded like a fart.
Yeah, it did, didn't it? What about this? You sleepy?
Okay, so this is like if you've got, there's two types of people that might use this. Number one, a radio host. That's a dying art. But also
That's right.
someone who just
I'm
likes
here,
to emphasize.
and I'm ready to host radio.
Okay, I'm just gonna go through all these again.
Is there a theme to it?
See if you can pick up on a theme.
That's a different one. Okay, that's out of the mouth. That's a cow. Is that a cow burping
There's a
or
diagram.
farting? That's a cow. That's still the
No,
cow.
it's a person making a noise lying on their back. Rubber chicken.
What is that? Is that muting?
That's for
something?
cursing.
I mean,
That's for cursing, you mother-
censoring. Your mouth also didn't move, which is good.
Yeah. YouTube.
Didn't have to blur it. Keep going. I've done that one.
It's realistic.
I like to hear the sounds of people breaking into my windows when I'm trying to sleep.
That's for a cat call. We don't do those.
No, that's not a cat call. I think it's a cowboy language. Yeah, that's cowboy language. Cowboys communicate with livestock using whistling.
You really bought that.
Yeah, you closed the wrong eye though. I think you need to, the eye that's underneath the camera needs to be open. What? What are you doing?
It's a money symbol.
I know.
Oh, that's like if like a slot machine kind of thing.
We have other ones of these.
Do they have the sound of two men drinking dirty water?
Yeah, they do. Okay, so what does this water have in it?
Oh, it's milky.
This is every single food. Oh, Link, the Pop-Tart has got a wiggle in it.
I don't want to bring in the Pop-Tart because We filmed an extra round for the Mythical Society exclusively. Sometimes we do that. If you're a member, you can go over there and you can see it. And I'm looking at the Pop-Tart discovery that we made. It is wild. It is wild. Like,
This could really
I almost want to show it to you, but I really want you to be on the Mythical Society. Does anybody want to volunteer to drink this?
That was good. That was good.
You really thought that was good?
Yeah, that was the best thing you've done.
So it's more like, anybody want to volunteer to drink this?
Crickets was really good.
Okay. And then I've got, now don't be scared because this is just a sound effect. Oh,
You thought it was
it
going
said
to be like
boo, but I thought
it was going to be like a ghost boo.
Yeah, I did. Toilet flushing?
That's not a good one.
All right, let's drink this. It's got
The remnants of all kinds of
It's got
stuff.
some floaty rice cake at the top, and we gotta figure out the right thing to push when it's over.
Well, maybe we should.
What? Do you have it? You can't test it ahead of time. That's gonna mess with the comedy.
Yeah. We'll just,
All right,
let's just keep it simple.
bear with us a second.
Let's just keep it simple.
We're trying to keep it.
I'm
Simple.
gonna do two things. Okay.
Okay. All right. And I'm gonna go with a. Hold on. All right.
Here's the first one.
Drink it. Oh, again? Did the glass break?
It seems like it certainly did.
And then what? When we drink, do you have one for that? It wasn't good. It wasn't good. It made it taste bad.
Okay.
It wasn't comedy. Come up with better comedy. Maybe that one. That one always works for comedy.
Yeah. Oh. Well, excuse me.
That always works for comedy. And I forgot to try mine.
Oh. Hold on. That's a female
Sigh.
Let me set mine aside.
Okay. Oh. What about this one?
That's a male sigh. Why is this? I think the same person did both sides.
Yeah.
Oh, good Lord. Oh, good Lord.
What? That one's called, so this is called Disappointed Sigh.
Okay.
There's nothing intriguing about it. There's nothing arousing.
Nothing.
There's the male sigh, female sigh. Sounds the same. Same person. Shocked sigh.
Oh, good Lord.
Oh, good Lord.
End of the world sigh. That's so weird.
This one's just not very well thought out. Not very well thought out.
So you're supposed to carry this around in your pocket in order to sigh?
Oh, good Lord.
Oh, good Lord. Okay, yeah.
So these just exist on the internet. I mean, look.
This one has like actually pretty good Amazon reviews.
Which
the
one?
Psy one.
It's not loud enough.
I couldn't
Yeah,
hear it when
it's too
when you
quiet.
played Shocked Psy. It sounded like someone hawking a loogie back here.
Yeah, that's gross.
Oh, good
But people love it on Amazon.
Let me try this one. And did you cheat? I want you to guess what the theme is.
Okay. Zoo babies.
You got that? All right. Not exactly. All right. Here's another one.
Farm time.
Nope. This is not domesticated. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Our wonderful
Wonderful.
national parks. I saw it. It's Bigfoot.
Oh, come on, dude.
Yeah.
What?
I just wanted to make it entertaining.
But I asked you earlier, and you said that's Bigfoot groaning, Bigfoot howling.
So if you're a Bigfoot believer and somebody puts this in your stocking stuffer, do you like that? Or is that offensive? Anybody believe in Bigfoot here?
This
No.
has even more, even higher rating on Amazon than the size.
Come on.
But that's because
Somebody
this
does.
one, what you do is you go camping with your friends, and then when everybody's in their tent, you just go and you go up outside of the tent right where their head is.
You get close enough to their ear and they'll think it's right. It's
I mean,
right out
if
there.
you heard that, I mean, if you heard this a number of times,
You might find yourself saying,
Oh, good Lord.
like if there's a
Another
Bigfoot
one.
right outside your tent, oh good Lord.
all right. Oh my gosh, Brett.
This
You're
one
gonna.
has so many.
All right, I don't want you to read this one either. See if you can guess what it is.
That sounded like an animal.
Yep.
Tiger?
Another button.
Official Tiger King. Oh, that was a little ghostly. Zombie time?
Nope. Different button. That one was weird. Here's another one. Oh, that one.
Ghost train.
That is not a train that you're hearing. That is something else. There's 16 buttons on this thing. And I don't know how they captured these sounds.
Oh, supernatural-ish.
No. I don't think it would be possible for them to capture these sounds.
You think conceptually?
This review says, got this from my grandson who is into dinosaurs. I'm always on the lookout for loud battery-operated toys to send home with my grandkids. It's the little things, you know? Of course, I have no idea if the noises from this are anything remotely close to what the actual dinos made, but neither does my grandson.
Yeah.
So can you
Is that a self-aware review?
can
or
you
not?
guess what this one
Oh,
is?
yeah. Brontosaurus. Brontosaurus.
That was the Allosaurus.
One of the big ones, right?
Yeah. Which one is that?
We're still in Plant Eaters. Again? Go back to the screechy one. Pterodactyl.
Yes. In the flapping wings.
Ah, not a train.
What about this?
T-Rex.
Nope. This one's closer to your heart. It's more recent.
Closer to my heart.
Closer to your comfort zone. Here's the meteor that killed them all.
Really? That's what it says?
Yep, here's the volcano that killed some of them.
Oh, it's just a little traumatic.
This one is a cat. Can't you hear the catness?
Oh, saber-toothed tiger.
Yes, we have a saber-toothed tiger skull in our office.
It's fake.
It's fake. All right, another one? All right, see if you can figure this one out. Stevie, don't spoil this one.
Okay.
What?
You spoiled the dinosaur one, I'm just saying. When you said dinosaur, then he knew it was dinosaurs.
Oh, I thought he had already guessed it was dinosaurs.
He didn't. He was baffled. This one just says sound effects. I don't know what this one is. It may not
Okay.
have a theme.
Okay. Well, I think the color may be an indication. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
That's a personal favorite. Maybe move a little bit when it happens.
Well, you know what? I saw recently, somebody took a little clip from this show that we make. And I was adjusting in my seat and like you were talking and I went. And people are like, Rhett just farted on camera.
But they added.
I wouldn't do such a thing.
Did our editors do that?
No.
This is what
Start doing that.
this is what it would look like. This is what it would look like. This is what it would sound like. I would make it that obvious. Are you okay? We got to stop, man. We got to stop.
There's one more though.
That's just somebody using their mouth. You know, it's just somebody at the plant using their mouth. I want a real volunteer.
I'm not spoiling what it is because I know you still haven't really guessed.
Thank you.
But the Amazon listing, you can either get the original or this one, and it seems a little precarious because the reviews are all mixed in, and the first review says natural outdoor sounds for relaxation and better sleeping.
Yeah, I know how it is when they mix the reviews, and then you get the fart one.
That's happened to somebody.
Natural outdoor sounds.
You spoiled it. It's farts.
Oh, it's farts.
All right, next. This one comes with a separate speaker.
I'll let you play with this one.
You put this in your kids' room. It's like a baby monitor.
Everything's so blue coated today. Okay.
Whoa, okay, all right. That separate speaker really packs a punch.
Okay.
Hold on.
What?
It's got multiple. If you
This sounds like machinery. Is this construction?
I'm pressing the same button. And it's cycling through.
Okay. Some of
Guess I
them
wore 'em out.
literally sounded like,
Oh God.
oh,
That's worse for me. I think I'd rather hear a fart than a burp. I think I would.
I think I would too.
You know, the thing is, we don't have to hear either one, but I got
but
these
there's
buttons.
there's more
I got
comedy
these buttons I gotta press.
in the lower end.
I wore the fart button out. It won't even accept any more input.
It's like you've reached your quota. Okay.
Oh yeah!
Now if
Now.
that sound could come out of my butt, yes, please. I guess if I got this up in there, then anything could. That's a bad.
That could have been better.
That's not. This cricket's better.
Okay.
You just waiting for somebody to make a bad joke, and then you just have this in your pocket.
This person says, noises are pretty good, but the range of the remote is pathetic. I work in a warehouse, and unless I'm standing next to it, forget it. Can't hide it or behind anything, because then it won't work at all. I have a smaller and cheaper one that blows this one away when it comes to the range of the remote.
Yeah, you got to wear this as a necklace.
Yeah.
Just to, this isn't for hiding. This is for, Okay.
It's for dating.
All right.
Dating.
This is gonna be a tough one. I'm gonna give you can take this home
Okay.
so you and your wife can play with it.
Okay.
If you can guess what animal this is, okay? You get 3 guesses.
Okay. Gazelle. That's an animal? Keep going. A house cat.
Yep. All right.
Am I good?
You can keep it forever if
I'm good at
if you
this?
get this one right. Okay?
All right. Okay.
But I'm gonna give you 4 guesses on this one.
All right. Barking spider.
Okay, that's your first guess.
I'm thinking chihuahua.
It's just a dog.
Oh, just a dog.
Just a dog.
Okay. What else?
That's it. That's all. This is my favorite one so far because I like the volume.
And I think, is that the last one? So I don't like having, my favorite one is this one, instant audience, because, we're always looking for an audience.
Oh, good Lord.
Join the Mythical Society 3rd Degree Quarterly or Annual now to get the Mythical Clue Game. Plus, get 20% off your membership when you join today.